Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to download Doordash receipts. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to go ahead and launch your Doordash application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, where or how do you find Doordash? Pretty much simple. You can get Doordash on Google Play Store, Apple Store, or you can even use the web application using any browser of your choice. Now once you sign up and you sign in successfully, is going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in DoorDash. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's text. How do you download DoorDash receipts? Pretty simple. Now from this homepage, head over to the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find three amazing icons. One, you're going to find your account icon, right? That's your personal profile icon. You're definitely going to find the notification bell, and you're going to find the cart icon. So the first icon, which is your account icon, is what you have to click. So click on that, and that's going to take you to the account window. Now from this window, you're going to find a few options: profile, DoorDash rewards, get USD, payment methods, addresses, saved, notifications, gift cards, video setting, all the way down to legal. Okay, so from this homepage, how do you now download your DoorDash receipt? Now, first off, you're going to have to get help. Now, if you use this get help option, it's going to take you to your orders tab. Now it says no recent orders. So what order do you want to get help with? So no recent orders, right? So this is one way to get that. So if you have your order, if you have placed an order, you're definitely going to find your order in this window. And once you click on that, you click your order, you're definitely going to find an option that says view receipts. All right, just next to your order. So once you click on view receipts, all you need to do is to take a screenshot of that receipt. This is one way. All right, I'm going to show you the next way. So go all the way back, and it's going to take you to this home page. Now from the bottom corner of your screen, you're going to find a couple icons: home, grocery, retail, browse, orders. Now go ahead and click on orders. Now once you click on orders, you're going to find all your orders here. Now this order has not been completed, so you'll definitely not find what I'm going to show you next. Okay, so once you have your order, click on that order. You're going to find view receipt next to your order. Click on view receipt, and it's going to open up a window where it's going to show you your receipt. Once you get to that window, you're going to find all the details of your order. When you find that, the next thing that you have to do is to take a screenshot. You take a screenshot of your receipt. That's it. You're good to go. This is how you can download or you can get your receipt in DoorDash, because there's no one way to download it. So screenshot is just a better option. Now go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.